How long has
Read
it
the
been?
directions. You're a bad
This is
person.
me, Donkey Dog. Don't look at me.
It's a burden.
No.
Come enjoy my
Please,
box with me. Feel free to roam around my box.
Where on earth did you get it? Read the directions. Oh, God!
No.
There's nothing sacred.
Ouch! Oh! Oh my God!
I'm unarmed. Truce, truce. I'm a pacifist. Maybe get a milkshake instead?
Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap.
I know match for you. I know a psychologist. Time out, time out.
Oi!
I'm unarmed. I have bad feelings about this. You got anything I could read for a few minutes? I feel nothing. Buddy, angry.
I buy Band-Aids by the truckload.
Go back to the Bates Motel.
Whoopsie!
Just a little off the top, please.
Bludgeon me instead.
I'm dying! Prick me, do I not bleed? I don't like sharp things. Prick, prick, prick. Don't pop out my stuffing! Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? Stop! Starfish, multiply when cut. Time out! Whoa! No, no, no! Cut me out of here.
No, 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 no. Truce, truce. I'm a pacifist. Ow! I no match for you.
So...
Weird.
Oh, this is a slice of life.
This is not what I meant by being cut.
Ow! I'm out, I'm out!
I don't need pruning.
The pain!
I think I need a transfusion.
Ow, 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 ow! Down, down! Make it stop, make it stop!
I know a psychologist. I'm unarmed. Time out, time out. Oh, the pain, the pain. Help me. I'm a pacifist.
Enough!
It's dangerous.
Have you been to the moon?
You're too Hey! Go back to the Bates Motel.
What's that for?
So, what do you want to do?
Get off me, Freddy!
Oh, please stop! No, please! Just a little off the top, please.
Maybe get a milkshake instead,
Hi, Chihuahua! Oh! Son of a bee sting! Prick, prick, prick!